Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's May 5th, 2023. Going to talk about Nvidia real quick, trying to see if it's still undervalued. I mean, the market in Nvidia has done a fantastic job for the first half of 2023. Saw a fantastic move all the way from 140 bucks to where it is today, around 275. Pretty good run. Do you still think it's undervalued? Now, currently, you guys can see what I've talked about on my prior videos in Nvidia, that the market was merely consolidated and traded within the traded channel. You guys can see it. And there was a small time to where the price in Nvidia did actually break out. You see that? Now, I told you all about that here. I did a video in Nvidia on the 27th of April telling you all that the market was still a buy, but I wasn't massively bullish. And in fact, maybe 3-4 trading days into the price prediction, the market in Nvidia has came and taken our ultimate TP price of 288.15. That is 6.88% profit right there. You guys can see it. Okay. Now, since that time, price has began its descension, or it's began to go lower. That's not a good sign, especially if you still think it's undervalued, because if you still think it's undervalued, then that means that you're looking for price to continue to go up. This arrow is pointing to an indicator called a push to go up bar. When you see these type of indicators off a price chart, the next notion, your next thinking is that price is still a buy, that price is still going to go higher. Now, from this arrow and that push to go up bar, we haven't seen that. Instead of price continuing to go up in Nvidia, price has done what? Gone down. Again, that tells you that the buyers are no longer present in Nvidia. And another sad part is that this horizontal line right here at 280, price is now trading below it, just like it did here on these 3 days. Take a look. On the 20th, the 19th, and the 18th of April. So now price is trading right back down below resistance. That's not a good sign. If the buyers were really interested in seeing price go up in Nvidia, they would have maintained the price above 280, but instead it's below it. That's not good. Keep that in mind. Here's Nvidia on the 2-day chart. Okay. So all because that, excuse me, since we're seeing price in Nvidia trade below 280 now, I'm not bullish, not right now. I can't be, because the market is already telling me that just like it had issues breaking above 280 here in April, I need to continue to expect that now. So even if we do see price in Nvidia go higher back up to 280, don't try to be tricked to think that the market is now a buy. We need to see price break back up above 280 on strength. If it doesn't break above 280 on strength, then this is not a true movement of seeing price go up. Here's Nvidia on the weekly time frame. We have 8 hours and 55 minutes left, and this current weekly price bar is indicative of an up fake. Now, we don't have the indicator, but it still resembles an up fake. Okay. So it looks to me like the market may have topped out in Nvidia. Okay. Look at this on the 3-day chart. The 3-day chart is also giving us the same type of price bar like the weekly time frame is, an up fake. And we close below 280. So the best thing for a buyer in the market in Nvidia to think about is price continuing to trade within that trading channel. That's the only thing. And that's what I'm on the lookout for, because I'm not looking for price to go up. Not now. So next thing would be, okay, if I'm not looking for the price to trend up in Nvidia right now, then I'm going to look for the market to do this still. If I still see price in Nvidia hold this trading range, then I know that the buyers are still there. And that later on, maybe next month, maybe in July, price will continue to break out and go higher. But I need to continue to see this trend though. Because if the market doesn't hold this trading channel, then guess what? Like I told you earlier, the high is in Nvidia, and we will begin to see price go down. We could be at the initial stages of that process. Okay. So I think I'm done. Hopefully I have conveyed my points to you about what I think price in Nvidia is about to do. Is it worth putting on a price prediction? That's the next question. Because here it is trading at pre-market 277, for it to come all the way down to 264, 265, where its prior area support is. It's only 4.7%. Okay, so I'm not going to do a price prediction just yet, but that is my current thinking, my notion, my prediction, my forecast is that price has a greater chance of going lower, only within this range right now. But if I continue to see market support, market buyers within these two lines, then I know that buyers are still present. Then I could come back at a later date and say, yeah, I'm still looking for the price of Nvidia to go higher. But as of right now, I want to continue to see the buyers first. I want them to convince us that yes, the market in Nvidia is undervalued and that price will continue to go higher. I'm not seeing it just yet though. So I'm just going to put this price prediction on pause. You guys got my thinking currently in Nvidia. Now it's your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.